Hey everybody, Jim Malone here from Dallas Trading Floor. Happy Monday to everybody. Well, this is a follow-up to the ARM processor trade that I showed you on Friday. This is a 7-day covered call trade. The stock just absolutely catapulted today. I mean, it was up almost 40%, and then it's back down a little bit. But I kind of want to show you kind of how I'm doing on this trade. Really, really interesting stock, as you know. On Friday, I indicated that ARM basically was going to be bought by NVIDIA. I was wrong on that. Bought by Intel. It actually was going to be bought by NVIDIA, but that was turned down, of course, by the English authorities. It's an English stock. So it's relatively new on the market, but it is a definite winner when it comes to processors. It's basically in about 90% of the newer data center processors, and most of the cell phones in the world use their design. So it runs Linux, and it's quite something. As you can see by the IBD ratings, it's excellent. Of course, composite rating 99. That's about as good as it gets. A+ in terms of the acquisitions by the firms, and that's really what's happening here. We're starting to see the big money come into this stock. Just like to show you the chart. It was up significantly today at 136.21. When we bought it on Friday, it was at 113, and it was up as high as 157 today. And it's pulled up, because as you can see, there's a lot of volume coming in on this one. And I do think that we're going to see this along with NVIDIA as being a favorite for some of the funds. A lot of the funds want to be in AI, and they want to be out of a lot of other areas. So they're crowding into the AI stocks that are working. And right now, the three AI stocks that seem to be working the best are AMD, of course, Advanced Micro Devices, NVIDIA, and then ARM. ARM is kind of the new one on the block. The interesting thing about NVIDIA is today the value of NVIDIA exceeded the value of Amazon. So this is one of the true titans in terms of size, NVIDIA. I don't expect ARM to get to that level, but it is definitely going to be invested in by many of the funds. So definitely something to look at. Kind of want to give you a look at the payout chart so far. It's the 12th. We started this trade, of course, on the 9th. We're up about $603 on this one so far. And I expect we're almost at the max. The max on this trade by Friday is 639. I did re-up. I went in with another covered call trade this morning at a much higher price. But this one's looking good. I think this is going to settle a little bit, and this one might be, you might want to put ARM on your radar screen. I think it's going to be a very, very strong stock going forward. Don't know, you never know where it's going to go, but I definitely think that there's some support on the stock at about 130. So you want to take a